In the Rainforest, a nature trail book by Maurice Pudger. Turn the page, let's have some fun. Our Jungle World Tour has begun. On every page there's a surprise, as creatures spring before your eyes. And hiding in the pictures, you'll find them if you look, are 7 brightly colored frogs to count throughout this book. See if we can find all those frogs as we read, huh? The South American hummingbird drinks nectar from the sticky flower. Her tiny wings beat back and forth 1,000 times an hour. There's something else that's sticky. Let your fingers feel. Let me look. How an anteater uses his long tongue to catch an insect meal. Neat. There's a question. It says, how many hummingbirds can you count? So, let's see. I'm going to scan for you here. Oh, there's the frog. Ha. Let's turn the page. A monkey hides up in a tree. Feel his fur so velvety. Who is he hiding from? Can you see? Let's turn the page. Let's check. A jaguar with sleek black fur. Don't forget to spot the frog. Can we find him? You see him? There he is. A lot going on in this book, huh? And Australian paradise birds dance and prance and puff their chests, hoping a mate will come to share their lonely nests. And who is squawking from the tree? Lift the flap and you will see. Well, let's see, huh? Ooh, look at that. Beautiful bird, huh? And it says, how many birds can you count? So let's scan. See how many birds you can count. Meanwhile, don't forget to look for the frog. Far away in India, a loris climbs to see how many shiny beetles he can count up in the tree. See how shiny that is? Can you tell? It's glittery. Don't forget to look for the frog. Let's flip and see. Ooh. How many beetles can you count? So let me scan for you. See how many you can count. In Africa, a leafy nook is someone's home. Just take a look. Slinky, smooth, and slippery, she glides and slides so silently. But do take care, for heaven's sake, in case you wake. Ooh, who's it gonna be? The green tree snake. Ooh, and I have a question down here. How many butterflies can you count? So let's scan and see how many butterflies can you count. Meanwhile, don't forget to look for the frog. The young bush baby loves to climb the lumpy bumpy tree. Looking for some food to eat, she searches patiently. But as she grabs a knobbly branch, imagine her surprise. Oh boy, I wonder what's under here. When it turns into a chameleon before her very eyes. Look at that. That branch was a chameleon. How many chameleons can you spot? Well, let's see. Let me scan for you. See how many you can find. Meanwhile, don't forget to look for the frog. And we're turning. When darkness falls, who stays awake? a mouse, a frog, a hissing snake, a furry moth, a jungle cat, and up above, an acrobat. Who is it, do you think? The jungle bat has come to say goodbye before he flies away. Our nature trail is at an end. Please come and visit us again. Question down here says, did you spot 7 frogs?